you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're doing great.
Yes, I'm doing great.
Okay, so what did you do today? Today is Sunday.
I think I
You will
will.
not go outside?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. So how about your family? Your family will go outside today?
I don't know, but maybe.
Okay. So will you go, Tono? Like, do you also eat outside?
Mm,
Like at a
uh,
restaurant, like that?
we. I think today we won't go outside, but I think will go to a relative or go walk street.
Okay, is it far from your house or near?
Mm, it's not very far from.
It's not very far. So here, let us have here the topic I will share to you, Tono. Hmm. Are we done with this airport? Okay, I will show you how. Na, na, na. Okay, the weather, what is the weather in Vietnam now? The weather in my country is hot, very hot, Tono.
Yes, today is very hot and very sunny.
Oh yeah, it's very sunny. It's sunny and very hot in my country. In the early same. So that's why we usually go out in the night time. Okay, I will share it to you. Terra me to say, okay, so that's fun. Okay, at the airport. Okay. So when was the last time that you went to the airport?
I think a few years ago.
Okay. And then, okay, why did you go there? Because,
I go another city.
okay, and then what did you do there? Did you fetch someone or did you send off someone, your family? Okay, by the way, your dad is just working in your city, right?
Yes.
Okay, and also your mom. How about uncle? Do you have uncle working abroad?
No.
Okay, no. Okay. So here. Now we have different vocabulary that talks about airport. So we have window seat. Do you know what is window seat?
Yes.
Okay, the seat near the window. Okay, we call it as window seat. The seat near the window. Okay.
Okay.
So aisle seat. Do you know where is aisle seat?
Yes.
Okay, aisle seat is what? It is a seat that's near the aisle. Okay, proceed. It means you will go. So when you say the word proceed, oh, Tono, you proceed now. So it means you go now, Tono. Check-in counter and check-in baggage. You have to check in your baggage in the check-in counter. Suitcase. Oh, do you know what is suitcase? Suitcase, the one you will gonna bring